Hello, how are you? Hope you all doing well. Now, in this class, I'm gonna tell you about whenever some specific values of money is given to you for the particular work and how you distribute that particular money amongst the all person who are involved in the work. Now, look at the screen. So A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. A alone can do it in 6 days while B alone can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish it in 3 days. Find the share of each. So what is mentioned? A plus B plus C all working together can complete the entire work in 3 days. Okay. Where A can finish it in how many days? 6 days. Where B can finish the entire work in how many days? 8 days. Okay. What is A's one day work? A's one day work. So A's one day work is what? 1 by 6 part of the work. What is B's one day work? So B's one day work is how much? 1 by 8 work to be done by B in 1 day. Right? So what is A plus B's one day work? A plus B's 1 day work. So I am writing here 1 day work is equal to what? You simply add 1 by 6, 1 by 8. So 8, 16, 24, 6, 4 za, 8, 3 za. So this value is 7 by 24. So 7 by 24 work to be done by A plus B working together in 1 day. Okay. If A plus B plus C complete work in 3 days, so how much time A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C's 1 day work. What is my 1 day work for A plus B plus C working together? 1 by 3. Whereas B plus A means A plus B complete the entire work in how many days? So 24 by 7 days, but A plus B's 1 day work is what? 7 by 24. 7 by 24. Okay. So what is, if I subtract this value, B and B gone, so you will left C's 1 day work. So what is C's 1 day work? So C का एक दिन का काम कितना हो जाएगा? 1 by 3 minus, since I am subtracting this value, 1 by 3 minus of 7 by 24. So this is 24, 3 8 is 8, 24 1. So you will get 1 by 24. So C's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 24. Whereas A's 1 day work is how much? A's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 6. And what is B's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 8. So you know now A's 1 day work, B's 1 day work and C's 1 day work. Now what is the ratio of A, B, C's 1 day work? So I am writing A's 1 day work to B's 1 day work to C's 1 day work ratio. So this is what? 1 by 6 ratio 1 by 8 ratio 1 by 24. So now you can solve this value, find out the ratio. So if I multiply the whole equation by the maximum value 24, what you will get? If I am multiplying this whole equation by 24, why I am writing 24? Because 24 is the maximum value. So you will get 24 by 6, 24 by 8, 24 by 24. Why I am multiplying this? So that I will give the constant value, not the fraction one. So this is 6 4 za, 8 3 za, 12, 24, 1 za. So ratio of A, B and C is how much? 4:3:1. Now this is the ratio of A, B and C. So my A, B, C ratio is 4:3:1. Now this ratio is divided. This value is divided amongst A, B and C in this ratio 4:3:1. So how you will calculate the value? I already discussed in my last class. Whenever the value is given to you and the ratio is mentioned, how you can solve, how you can segregate this in terms of this ratio. So how you will calculate what is my A ratio? The total given quantity multiply by A share divide by total share. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8. So 8 1 ja, 8 7 ja, 8 5 ja. So this is how much? 75 into 4, 300 rupees given to A. What is B ratio? So B ratio is what? Total quantity multiplied by B ratio 3 divide by the total value 8. So this is 75. 75 3 is 225. So 225 rupees given to B. Now what is C ratio? So my C ratio how much? 1. So first you write the total quantity 600 in the ratio. C ratio is 1 divided by the total ratio. Total value of ratio 437 plus 18. So this is gone 75. So you will get 75 rupees for C. So my A value is 300. B ratio is 225 and C ratio is how much? Ratio of money is 75. If you add all this value, you will get 600. So this is how the 600 divided amongst 4 is to 3 is to 1. So this is the problem. This is the solution of this question. So you can note down this problem. It is the question based on the number of rupees distributed among different person if the number of completion date is mentioned in the numerical. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord.